Hello, my name is Fred. This is my boy, Chinook. My best friend. He knows all sign language. Now we're going to see if he can do some signs for you. Now, I tell him to go pick up his bucket of bones in the kitchen and bring it and put it in my hands. Yes, very good boy. I just told him very good. Now we'll see if we can do he can do another trick. This is pretty cool. I try to give him a treat on his nose, and then I tell him to lay down. Very easy. This is pretty hard to do, but we'll see if he can do it. Now tell him, very easy, sit up. Then he can have his treat. Told him now he can eat his treat. Now see if he'll give me his treat before he even eats it. That was pretty good. Now stay tuned for February and we'll make another little video for you. Because like I said, he knows a lot of sentences in sign language. We'll see you. Thanks.